trading tips for trading boom and crash, and we will be checking it out right here in this video. Okay, but before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, can you give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets that we'll be checking out one after the other. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from a small trading capital into something reasonable. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000 and this is on 5-minute time frame, and of course I'm using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator. This actually went on downtrend right from this resistance zone till this very support zone, and it was unable to break out below it, so it started an uptrend right from there. Even though it had a pullback, and of course it still went up again, and of course it has been buying since then guys. It has been buying. Okay, and of course guys, it is approaching the next resistance zone. Okay, so if it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying. If it does not, it will go back on downtrend, but for now it is still buying. This might not be for a very long time. Okay, most especially if it's unable to break out from the resistance zone. Next asset should be boom 500. This is boom 500 and still on 5-minute time frame. This had been on downtrend right from this resistance zone, and of course it kept on selling and selling and selling. If you had watched my video this morning, you should have smacked all these you should have smashed all these TPs just now. Okay, so the last TPs has been achieved, so that's so amazing guys. So for those of you who have been following up with my trading activities, that is how beautiful it is. And if you are using this trading tool, that is how beautiful the trading tool is. Okay, so you guys can always be in profit all the time. Okay, so as you can see, it has been on downtrend all through the day, and of course it has got into this support zone. If it breaks out below it, it will keep on selling. If it does not, it will go back on buy trend, but for now it is still selling guys. And of course it might not be for a very long time, most especially if it's unable to break out fully from the support zone. Next asset should be crash 1000. This is crash 1000. It actually went on downtrend, got to this region, and it has just started an uptrend. Okay, it has got into this and of course crashed down a bit, and of course it will try it out again. Once it breaks out from there, it will go to the next, and of course the next. Okay, so this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. The next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out together. This is crash 500. The movement looks somehow, and of course it has been playing within this region for a very long time. Broke out below it around there to get to this support zone, like I have said in the morning, and it went back up to get to this resistance zone again, and of course it broke out above it and came down again, went back up, and of course it has come down again, and it has not been able to break out from that support zone because it was respected around there, and also around there. So it is buying back. It will be trying out this resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, good. If it does not, it will come back to the support zone. So this is still buying at the moment, even though it might not be for a very long time. Okay, so we should take note of that. Let's check out the last asset, which is going to be volatility 75. Okay, okay guys, this is volatility 75. It was on uptrend before, but got to this resistance zone, wasn't able to break out from there, so it started a downtrend right from there. You can see we got our sell signal and downtrend signal around there, so it started selling till it got to this support zone. It has not been able to break out from that support zone, so right now it has started an uptrend according to the yellow flag we are seeing right here, and we've gotten a blue arrow around there. We got another opportunity to come in around there or to add more order to it, and of course it has been buying since then. Okay, so once it breaks out from here fully, then it will be targeting this region. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with today, and all you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand understand every part of the strategies shared there, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away. Okay, I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.